Yeah, let's talk about how to build effects, the effects engine. Yeah.
So right now we're just in our stage view layout, and we want to go into our effects. There's a key right here that says effect. Double hit that. This pulls up your effect directory. This is a bunch of pre-made effects that the console will give you. This will allow you to edit those effects.
Okay, let me kind of go in there. Effect directory. Okay.
So let's grab our pars. We'll put them to full so we can see them. And you can see automatically here, some of these effects are grayed out. The console knows that this isn't a moving head fixture, so your movement effects are grayed out.
Okay.
We're not going to use those. Let's do rainbow. Select rainbow, and now we have a rainbow chase on our rig. In here, we can change the speed. Right now it's set to about 15 BPM. Right now they're all moving in sync of each other. So let's change the offset. Let's go to offset, hit the set hard key, 0 through 360. The effect engine runs on degrees of a circle. So that's why it's 360 and not 100. And now they are chasing. You can kind of see it on those pars there. And then stop, of course, hit clear. Everything resets to its home. We also have our dimmer effects that we can go through real quick. This is going to be our face light. We're going to do chase. Right now they are just turning on and off. If you'll look up there into the catwalk. They are just turning on and off in unison. But we can come here to the effect engine editor, hit set, 0 through 360, and now they're going to chase. And then if we look up into our rig, they are doing something crazy. That is a intensity effect.
Okay.
And then there's different ones. There's smooth, so we can do this so it's a little bit smoother, 0 through 360. So it's the same effect, but it has a little bit of a fade to it. So when you're dealing with cue lists and you want to get into the cue list so you can rename or change the timing of a cue, there's a couple of ways you can do that. You can double tap on the sequence here, or you can double tap on this choose here. Both ways will get you in. This will allow you to change the name or the timing, whatever you need to do to edit your cue list. And if you're in a cue, so like let's go to this face light cue, and I don't want the booms to be on in this cue. I'm going to select the booms, put them where I want to be, which is at 0. Booms are out. And then I'm going to hit record cue 1. And since I already have this playback chosen, when I hit enter, it's going to pop up with a menu. It says, hey, this cue already exists. Do you want to merge? Merge is a way that you can combine things, right? So say in a cue you have the first electric only, but you want to add the second electric. You would take the second electric, give it the values you want, and then merge it into that cue. Then you can replace, which is the way that this looks now is how it's going to look, right?